Why in the heck is there a bench here?
What's going on?
I can't stop yawning!
It hurts!
My jaw's cramping! Ow!
I'm only yawning because you keep yawning!
And I'm only yawning because you won't stop!
Stop!
No, how about you stop? How about turn around and see yawn? That loud yawn? Go somewhere I can't hear you. Like, who does that? That loud yawn. Oh my goodness. I can still see you. Shut up! My goodness! You better hold that dang yawn. That yawning! Ooh, it's annoying. Okay, we're done. We're through. There's no more yawning. It's over.
Oh my gosh!
See? I don't laugh. We're done.
Yes!
We can relax.
Finally! You don't have to do this. We can talk about this.
Don't you dare do it!
Please, don't!